I am so excited for today. It's been such a long time since I've done this segment, but it is Cooking with V. Yes, so what's on the menu? Veggie curry roti. Yes, veggie curry roti. Now, I have included some ingredients that you may not have thought about that you can actually put into this recipe. It is easy to make, easy to do, and it can serve approximately, I would say, maybe more than 4 people actually. So sit tight, stay tuned. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe, and share this video if you care. Watch this video in its entirety. You won't be disappointed. So sit tight and stay tuned. All right, guys, so here are the ingredients you're going to need for your veggie curry. So we have here our green bananas, we have purple sweet potatoes, pepper, garlic, some tomatoes, we have carrots right here, squash or pumpkin, chocho like we call it in Jamaica, baked potato. I prefer the texture of it and it cooks better when boiled to me. And also you have your ginger, thyme, don't forget your coconut milk, red kidney beans, right there. So your red kidney beans and red onions. Don't forget your curry. Then you also gonna need salt, pepper, and of course water. But that's it. And we're gonna keep it simple, no extra ingredients, nothing like that. But this is just basically what you can put into your veggie curry, so you don't miss the meat too much, all right? So, all right, let's go. All right, y'all, it is moment of truth. All right, my roti. Vivian's staring at my roti. Oh my gosh, that's good. Oh my gosh. I'm clearing my throat because I burst that Scotch bonnet pepper inside the curry. This is so good. And it adds flavor, guys. So I have a little bit of Scotch bonnet inside of it. It tastes really, really good. It's amazing. All right, my realists, so that is the end of this video. Thank you for watching this video in its entirety. Oh my gosh, what? Anyway, I'm not taking that out. Watch this video in its entirety. Thank you for, oh Lord have mercy. Thank you for watching this video in its entirety. You see, there's bloopers. You don't know what we go through when we make these videos. Anywho, thank you for your support. Thank you for sharing. And you know what? Show me, go to my Instagram, Vishaun for real, and tag me in your videos or send me a picture of of this recipe and the, you know, final result of this recipe. You know, you can also, you know, incorporate other vegetables and tell me what you decided that you wanted to add. All right, now sit tight, stay tuned. That is that on that.